This tutorial is going to walk you through the process of taking a Word document like the one shown here and transforming that into a web form that you can use in OnTarget. First, from the WebForms builder, you need to create your web form template. Click on Create Web Form Template, select your doc type, select your doc format, enter the form name, add a version number, and click Save. Because this document that we're wanting to add is a client-based form, we first need to add some client entities. To do that, click on Add Entity, add a name, select Client as your type, leave the mode as read-only, autofill use active entity. Active entity means that you are going to be adding this to the client record. So this form will actually be housed and live within the client record. Leave the role as client and select primary for searchability. Click Add. Now pull the client first name and last name to the form. These are entities that you will need in order to build the form. Also pull the client code. This is the client ID number. Additional form elements for this particular form build are all text area form elements. So dragging from the left under form elements, we pull text area. We want to relabel this, the first field being needs statements from initial assessment and ISP. Continue pulling in and dragging and dropping the text areas that you need. Relabel the text areas according to the document. Once you finish relabeling all of the text areas, all of those fields, remember to save the document. At this point, you can close the web form builder. Ensure that you have access to the form by clicking on Configure, Security, Configure Roles, select your role, click on the Web Forms tab, find Can Use, Can Edit, Delete, scroll down in the list and find the form, and select the check boxes for Can Use, Can Edit, Delete. Save your changes. Back at the Web Forms Builder, find the form that you want to continue working on, click on Create Outlet Template, and now it's time to replace with Word Doc. This is the process of uploading the existing Word document to the web form outlet template. Click Replace with Word Doc. Acknowledge by clicking OK. Navigate to the place where the Word document is stored. Select the Word document and click Open. The Word document has now been uploaded and translated into the outlet template within OnTarget. Adjustments to the form and the table properties can be made easily by selecting the table, clicking on Table Properties, And in this instance, I'm going to change the width. Next, we'll start the process of mapping the data fields from the form definition to the outlet template. Click within the form, press hashtag, and select one of the required fields. In this case, the client.firstname. Second, hashtag, select client last name. Next, the client ID number. Press hashtag, select client.code. Continue by mapping data fields in the same manner. Press hashtag and start typing. Need statement from initial assessment and ISP. The next field, select hashtag, type ahead, long-term goals from ISP, and continue mapping data fields until all of the data fields have been mapped. At the bottom of the form template builder, you'll notice Save and Publish options. Remember to save your document and save your progress throughout by clicking on Save. If you want to save and close the document and go back to the form builder, click Save and Close. From WebForms Builder, you can click on Edit Outlet Template to reopen the Outlet Template editor. The final step in the process of building your outlet template is to add the signatures. Place your cursor, in this instance, individual receiving services. Click Add Signature from the top. And you have a couple of options here. Client, employee, third party. In this instance, we'll select third party and save. Third-party signature elements will go securely via email for the signer. Select parent legal guardian, add signature, in this instance, third-party signature. Direct service provider, add signature. In this instance, we select employee. Next, we have to select a job title. In this case, we're going to select qualified professional. Save. Finally, we have the signature element for an additional direct service provider. In this case, this may be an optional, so we're going to select additional in this instance. Additional allows you to select a signature on the fly at the time a signature is required. Save your work. Save and close. Once you're satisfied with the form build, it's time to publish. At the bottom of the form, click the green Publish button. And finally, back at the WebForms Builder, click Edit WebForm Template to open the template builder, and click Save and Publish. This ensures that the form can be used within the system.